This is a Robeta Adonis. It's a extremely attractive, well-built vehicle, but that's its price. 151,000 euros. So it is on a Mercedes Sprinter 319 CDI base. It offers, first start off with it, we have a large step, a wide step to actually get in, and we have also, if we access to things that we might want to have outside in there. Let's come inside. We have a fridge which opens both ways there. Where's the sink? There you go. Sink down there with a draining board. And look how big that is. It's really, really large. This is one of the best kitchen blocks I can think of, actually. In a camper van, can't think of anything. I'm trying to think of one which looks better off the top of my head. I just can't think of one. And two burners, and I think you can get a cover for this should you want one. You've got a little bit of storage up here, and of course storage above the kitchen as well. Come to the back here. Now, the lady's going to talk. I'm just going to show you, okay, while she talks. So that was a much quicker talk than they give in Dusseldorf when they go through 6 languages. Anyway, I think this, what do you think of the washroom? I mean, for hotel, looks really good. One thing I'm really keen on avoiding is having wet feet when you use the toilet. And if you get this inside wet, that's the problem. You need a duck board always. And here, I think elegance might have been sacrificed. Practicality may have been sacrificed for elegance. Anyway, it looks really good though. And alright, coming around here to the front. Right, table which will move around. I can't think of any other camper vans which offer a facility as good as this one. No storage above the bulwark there, so you've got the you can stand up in the driver and passenger chairs without any problems. Space here for a television, storage here, and let's go and sit down here in my favorite seat and admire the rest of it. Right, flat floor, obviously you expect this, but sometimes in camper van you got sort of a raised bit here, not at this level. Seats, look how they are. You can separate the seats if you don't want to sit next to be too close to the person you're sitting next to. They're contoured for the body. Instead of having a straight up bench, they are individual contoured seats. Obviously you've got this bit of space here which is sort of lost, but you could sort of put the chair back in a certain position so that it isn't lost, or if you wanted more space or whatever, you keep, I don't know, some blankets or bedding or something there, something like that. Really, it's very elegant. I'd like to tell you more about the 4x4 kit. Unfortunately, I can't, as I don't know. As you'd expect, of course, there are blackout blinds here and at the front as well. Let's come to the back. So at the back, this door here has been insulated, and which is not standard. Here we can see space for one gas cylinder. This of course will come up should you need to have more space in there. Spare wheel, you can go and ladder up to the top of the roof. A spade. I always used to carry a spade in my vehicle, and I don't anymore. Maybe I ought to get one. But I haven't found the use for it for many years. Now, these things here are to extend the size of the bed, flares. So, because I'm exaggerating now, but because the Mercedes sort of goes up like that, you can see from the shape, even if I stand here, you see that the shape of it's going up at an angle. This gives more space to the amount of space in the bed, but at the same time, it doesn't increase the footprint of the vehicle in any way, because if you drew a straight line down here, then it won't actually exceed this. On this side, the flare is less because you've got the door which opens, but that gives a lot of extra space inside for the bed and allows you to actually sleep in a width-wise direction. Of course, if you're really tall, then it's not going to work. For me, it's not a problem, but if you're more than, say, 190 centimeters, then you might have to look at some other option. Boy. Whilst I'm here, I'll give you a quick look around the hall here. So we've got just a little walk around. So Robeta campervans here, which you can see in other videos. Oh, here's something which I think is particularly attractive. First of all, okay, here Hunekopf will have a very original, expensive but very well made solutions. This company is Starvan. First time I'd heard of them was here at this event. What they have got is this slide out, which comes out offering the bed at the top, because that's normally what you get, for example, in the Westfalia. What's the name? Mine's gone blank. What do you call it? I've forgotten what there is anyway. Sorry, I've been ill. Anyways, the Westfalia, you get the bit that comes out like this, but it ends there, just the bed. But they, in their slide out, they put part here. They've got the boot as well, a garage as well. So thus, without increasing the floor plate of the vehicle, it does increase enormously the storage. Also, as you can see, there you are. It's going in and out. And presumably they don't now doing this because it's the end of the day and the event is now closed. Also, it doesn't make much noise. Until it clicks in at the end. I think that's a very it's something like that. I have no idea what it's going to cost, because anyway, we'll come back to that one at a later date. They won't be manufacturing many of these, of course, but it is a very interesting solution. There you go, from 593 centimeters to 713 centimeters in 30 seconds, and thanks to their patented bedroom slide out. Alright, so we'll have a look who else is around. There's Salty Blue. Oh, here's a company, Work and Roll, which I can't understand the objective of. That is like an office in a van. I don't understand that very much, but I think an office in a van you can create by having a lot of electrical solutions in the vehicle. Anyway, we'll have a look at that a bit later. Here we have, I think, my award for the most interesting vehicle at this event is this one here, the Affinity Freedom. This is a prototype model of anyway, see that in a different video. 62,000 probably, but hobby down here. Here we've got La Strada. Over there I think it's Carthago over there, Malibu, and I'll take you back now, walking down here. So I'm trying to do as much as I can whilst I am here to demonstrate what it's like at the moment in the motorhome world. And this thing here, very attractive vehicle, bus camp. Actually, I went to their factory a year and a half ago and I still haven't uploaded the videos from there. Anyway, good. And how about this for an unusual? That is not. You've got to. That's like it's a roof tent, if you like, but it's a hard one, and you. This doesn't. I suppose it could be built with access from the inside via a ladder, but because it's like that, it can be properly insulated. Anyway, good. So back to the one I started off with, which is this one here. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting and for being with me now. That's the Robeta Adonis, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.